Today on COC, we're going to show you how to check your steering linkage on your truck. So, today my job is going to be starting the truck and turning the wheel from side to side while Chris looks at the joints.
Alright, so this is called a dry park test. Alright, so what we're checking with this test is all of these ball and socket type joints like tie rods. There's going to be several of them on a truck like this. It's got a what we call a parallelogram steering. Alright, so where you're going to find these joints is at each end of the tires. There's going to be one on this side, one on this side, one here, and one connected to your pitman arm. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is running the truck. She's going to turn the steering wheel back and forth like she said. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at for separation between this joint and the other half of the joint. And we're going to do the same thing on all these joints.
So, if you found this video to be helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!